This short demonstration shows how to look at the Entron IPAC2 V2 medium frequency welding timers 24 volt DC discrete I/O using the Entron NetFlash programming software. With the IPAC2 V2 program page open and the floating metrics window selected and visible, all IPAC2 V2 faults are displayed in the errors section. This example displays the error message "Weld off". The 24 volt DC discrete I/O related error messages cannot be reset by selecting the fault reset icon. By selecting I/O status tab, we can now look at a visual representation of the 24 volt discrete I/O signals. We can now see the discrete input and output status. Looking at the weld on input, we can see it is off, which ties up with the displayed error message in the metrics window. To clear this error message, the weld switch needs to be turned on. We can now see the weld on input is on and the weld off message has been cleared. The IPAC2 is now ready to weld. Thank you for watching this short Entron IPAC2 V2 NetFlash demonstration. Entron Controls has 3 manufacturing and support sites which are based in the UK, USA and Mexico. For more information, visit our website www.entroncontrols.com.